Sanmonani and welcome back to another video where we look at some of your interesting takes when it comes to uthando nesithembu, ingane zesithembu. But in this video we will be talking about people's reactions or people's opinions with regards to indaba kaSne namalobolo akhe. We know it's a controversial thing and it has not been cleared kahle ukuthi kwenzakalani. But ke ubaba wakhe raising that issue yamalobolo did strike a conversation amongst ama-fans ukuthi kahle hle, okay, let's say lento kaSne nokulobola kwakhe was actually true. Is Sne ready to get married? And this is what people said. Untombi kaYisena uthi mhlambe uSne engaqoqeka mangase kuthiwa uyashada, and then uZanele uthi we ayikekho ongashada uSne cause uyinkinga intombazane ngaphandle mekuthiwa uthatha usiyacela. Guys, a little take mina guys, I have to disagree ngayo. I don't think they would be a good match because both uba namakhanda aqinile. I feel like when there's a marriage kumele bekhona ozo balancisa omunye, whether khona othulayo and then the other one has to be a bit more talkative, or lo munye abe ne-energy ethe kuba low, lo munye athi kuba ne-energy high. It cannot be ukuthi kube neyinkunzi nje eziwu-2 emshadweni. I disagree with that, but I do agree with untombi kaYise mayethi engaqoqeka uSne masithi uyashada. I do believe that, guys. Cabangani guys, you all know umuntu in your personal lives ukuthi lo muntu ufuna ake akashadile, but the fact that they are married just baffles your mind because you know mhlawumbe izinto abazenzayo or aseke bazenza in the past. So I do believe ukuthi the worst that uSne has done is just be an unruly child. I do think ukuthi with some counseling, some intensive counseling, therapy and everything enga right. I feel like uSne udinga indoda ezomondla understand. I think that's the only thing. I think she would do anything just to prove ukuthi she's worthy of marriage. Uthatho yena uthi iyomosha izinkomo zayo leyo ndoda should they decide to marry uSne because uneconsi, uyachwenza, uzokubeka konke lokho once washada, uzohlezi ekhala plus ukuhlaza. So ayikho into ezolunga. And then uBalu uthi baningi abashadile abaWest kunoSne, yoni forward nina anishadi ngani mase nizomphixiza kanjena. Kanti ke uXolani uyayicelela uthi ake nimnikeze yena uSne uzomenza nje unkosikazi wesibili, vele indaba yesithembu uyijwayele uSne kubo ngeke azabe nenkinga. Uthi yena ke uXolani uyam-understanda uSne. Okay, so uXolani ngiyamuzwa uthi uthini, but with this mina I feel like men who want uSne, not to say ukuthi uSne akekho muhle, not to say uSne ukuthi akanayo yini intshebu yokuba unkosikazi. Mina I do believe she does have a potential to be a wife, but ke sana I feel like kukancane ukuthi beze nama intentions are good. So hopefully uXolani means well mayesho kanje, because I know with guys that abuse women, they know how to target women and usually they go for women mhlambe who have low self-esteem, abantu aba excludiwe emndenini yabo, abantu nje abanganabani abangakhalela kubona. So hopefully he means well because it was a bit cute when he was saying this. And then uLuyanda yena uthi sebeyomshadela okuvela ku-TV akanayo intshebu yokuba umfazi. That was harsh. I don't wanna lie, but ke people have their own opinions. And then ke uThabi uthi ngeke alunge emshadweni. And then uHlobi uthi not the best idea for any of your girls because some will approach them because they are a mseleku. And then uNomonde uthi ama qualities asemshadweni angiwaboni kuSne kodwa ngoba uzalwa umseleku sebezomshadela lokho, which is true, guys. That's exactly what I said in my other review ukuthi mina nje ngiyasola nje ukuthi these guys just want one thing from uSne, and that is ukuduma ngaye. And it's unfortunate, and mina ngifuna ukuthi thina, because we see it for what it is, mhlambe na ngikayibone leyo nto, but we need to hold these people accountable, whether it's friends, whether it's boyfriends, whatever nje, we need to hold them accountable because we know ukuthi mhlawumbe uSne would not see it ngalendlela thina sibona ngayo. And In doing so, guys, let's keep it respectful and cute in the comments. Singabi ama-bullies, singasho nje kabi, but just express your opinion without being rude. uThemsile yena uthi-ke akamyeke uMthombeni uma efuna ukuyogana uSnake, kodwa izinkomo azivalele ku-wardrobe ukuze mhla bezifuna azikhiphe eduze. Akaphekiwe phela uSnake. Guys, cha shame. uSonto yena uthi into nje engenandaba evela ibiza umawayo ngegama bayazala abanye abafazi, ayikho-ke phela into esingayenza ngoba uMacele uya-understanda. And I do have to agree kancane with that comment. uMacele is the only wife uSnake has a good or pleasant relationship naye. You would think ukuthi she would at least ambize ngoma to show ukuthi uyam-appreciate her and ukumsukumela, ukumkhulumela and everything. But still to this day umbiza ngegama, even in front of ubaba wakhe, which shows ukuthi okay, akamhloniphi ubaba wakhe, akamhloniphi uMacele as unkosikazi kababa wakhe, as a mother figure empilweni yakhe. But sizothini, it's unfortunate khona, but asazi ukuthi what is her reasoning ukuthi ambize ngegama. uMabonga yena uthi kanti engashada uSnake uma nje engathola indoda ehlakaniphile. I wonder ukuthi uqondeni ngalokho uMabonga. Ehlakaniphile ndlelani nje mhlawumbe? Ehlakaniphe ndlelani? Kanti-ke uTorres uthi ahluphe ingane kabani, akahlale nje nobaba wakhe lapha eMzumbe. Guys, yes, I understand. I feel like ngempela if she's not ready to get married, if nje akekho ready and she's not prepared ukuthi nje ayokotiza, she must just stay there eMzumbe. Nakhona eMzumbe I wish ngabe kuba indawo where she feels more comfortable, ngoba one of the things mina I feel like emenza ukuthi abaleke kubo is mhlambe the duties, mhlambe umsebenzi, ukukhuthala, or izinto amele azenze lapha just ukuthi nje abonakale eyingane phakathi kwalela gceke. But if it was a more safe space, enjoyable, peaceful space, mhlambe engahlala engabaleki. uNelina uthi uSnake ne-counseling ngeke ilunge kuyena. Unjena nje unomona nakuzingane zakubo, akabuyele njena esikoleni bese-ke eba kwi-level yey'ngane zakubo. Then uNtombodide uthi ashade nawe. And then uPrasa uthi yena nazi najaja bo, ingabe nina ninjani? Akaye nje ukuyoshada, uma kukhona nje engamshada yekani ukujajana please. Ake nisekelane as women, which is true, guys. I feel like yeah, guys, kunzima. As much as we all have our opinions about uSnake and how she should live her life and this and that, just like the other person said, ukuthi khona abantu abashadile who are worse than uSnake. So it's not fair ukuthi singakhuluma kanje. Thina sinjani thina ke emshadini yethu? Are we good people? Yabo. So yeah, we really need to question ourselves and also just remain respectful and ngoba asazi ngempela ukuthi impilo izombeka phi uSnake, ngoba kusasa lokhu sothuka futhi mase siza ukuthi uSnake is married and uthole indoda elungile edlula le yakho. Then what we're gonna say? Yeah. Please tell me what you guys think in the comment section and don't forget to like, share, and most importantly subscribe. Thank you for the love and support. Ngizonibona kule elandelayo. Bye guys.